Welcome back everyone. In this session we will discuss about temperature and its measuring device. So let's jump into it. Temperature. What is temperature? The degree of hotness or coldness of a substance or a place is known as temperature. टेम्परेचर से हमें पता चलता है कि कोई सब्सटेंस कितना हॉट है और कितना कोल्ड है. Measurement of temperature. There are three scales of measurement of temperature. These are degree Celsius, degree Fahrenheit and Kelvin. The most common used scale is degree Celsius and Kelvin is used by scientists and laboratory. On the Celsius scale, the freezing point of pure water at sea level is 0 degree Celsius and boiling point is 100 degree Celsius. So this scale is calibrated from 0 degree Celsius to 100 degree Celsius, and on Fahrenheit scale the freezing point of pure water at sea level is 32 degree Fahrenheit, whereas its boiling point is 212 degree Fahrenheit. So its scale is calibrated from 30 degree Fahrenheit to 212 degree Fahrenheit. There are some formulas you can see on the screen. By which you can convert Celsius scale to Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit to Celsius and Celsius scale to Kelvin. On these formulas we will also solve some numericals in another session. Now thermometer. An instrument which is used to measure temperature is known as thermometer. वह इंस्ट्रूमेंट जो कि थर्मामीटर को मेज़र करने के टेम्परेचर को मेज़र करने के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है, दैट इज़ नोन एज thermometer. There are 4 different types of thermometer, like clinical thermometer, mercury thermometer, second alcohol thermometer, laboratory thermometer and digital thermometer. So let's know more about it one by one. Thermometer. The thermometer that measures the temperature of our body is called clinical thermometer. Clinical thermometer has mercury in it. Mercury is used because it remains in liquid state for a wide range. It melts at minus 38.87 degrees Celsius and boils at the range of 356.58 degrees Celsius. It has silvery grey color. इसके सिल्वरी ग्रे कलर होने के कारण ये थर्मोमीटर में एक अपीयरेंस लुक देती है. इसके कारण इजीली हम उसे देख सकते हैं. इट डजंट स्टिक टू द ग्लास. नाउ कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर. अ क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर हैज़ अ लॉन्ग ग्लास ट्यूब एंड इट हैज़ अ बल्ब containing mercury. It's has a scale called Celsius scale marked in degree Celsius. The temperature range that is measured by clinical thermometer is 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius, and it has a small kink near the bulb to prevent the mercury level from falling down. The normal temperature of the human body is 37 degrees Celsius. Now alcohol thermometer. Alcohol thermometer have an advantage over mercury thermometer because alcohol is cheaper and less harmful than mercury, and it can measure much lower temperature than mercury thermometer. Its main disadvantage is that it can measure only up to 78 degrees Celsius temperature, but the mercury thermometer can measure much higher temperature than alcohol thermometer. Now laboratory thermometer. Laboratory thermometer also has a long narrow glass tube. It has a bulb at one end and containing mercury. It has a scale marked in degrees Celsius. The range of laboratory thermometer is minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Now digital thermometer. Digital thermometer is fast replacing mercury clinical thermometer. It doesn't have mercury. It has special liquid crystals that change color according to temperature. It is in the form of a strip that is applied to the forehead of the baby. It is generally used to measure the body temperature of small babies. While measuring the temperature with a thermometer, we should take some precautions, like we should be washed thermometer before and after use. A thermometer is delicate and should be handled with care to avoid breakage. Okay, it should not be held by the bulb while reading the temperature. It should be kept upright and not tilted. And so many precautions, like the bulb should be completely surrounded by the substance whose temperature is being measured. Okay, and the bulb should not touch the side of the container. While reading the thermometer, the level of mercury should be at the same level as the eye. This brings us to end of this session. I hope you enjoyed it and learned from it. As always, happy learning.